Lesson: Evaluating prompt performance, metrics, and best practices. Evaluating prompt performance in the realm of prompt engineering is a critical skill for professionals aiming to maximize the efficacy and efficiency of AI-driven communication systems. This lesson will delve into the metrics and best practices that are pivotal for assessing prompts, providing actionable insights and tools that can be implemented directly to address real-world challenges. By understanding these metrics and applying systematic frameworks, prompt engineers can enhance their proficiency and ultimately improve the performance of AI models. Prompt performance evaluation begins with establishing clear metrics that accurately reflect the success of a given prompt. These metrics typically include relevance, coherence, diversity, and user satisfaction. Relevance measures how closely the AI's response aligns with the user's intent or query. Coherence assesses the logical flow and consistency of the AI's response. Diversity ensures that the AI generates varied responses, avoiding repetitive answers that can diminish user engagement. User satisfaction is often gauged through feedback mechanisms, providing direct insights into the effectiveness of a prompt from an end-user perspective. One practical tool for evaluating prompt performance is the use of automated scoring systems that apply natural language processing techniques to assess response quality. These systems can analyze large datasets of AI interactions, providing quantitative metrics that highlight areas for improvement. For example, the BLUE score is a widely used metric for evaluating machine-generated text against reference texts, offering a measure of how similar the AI's output is to human language. However, while BLUE and similar metrics provide a useful baseline, they may not fully capture the nuance of human communication. Thus, combining these metrics with human judgment is essential for a holistic evaluation. Frameworks such as the Rouge can be employed to measure the overlap of n-grams, word sequences, and word pairs between the AI's output and reference texts. This framework is particularly beneficial in summarization tasks, where capturing the core essence of information is crucial. By utilizing Rouge, prompt engineers can ensure that AI-generated summaries maintain the essential points of the original content, thereby enhancing the relevance and coherence of responses. To address the challenge of ensuring diverse and creative outputs, the use of a metric like Meteor can be instrumental. Meteor considers synonyms, stemming, and word order, providing a more nuanced evaluation than BLUE or Rouge. By implementing Meteor, prompt engineers can push AI systems to generate responses that are not only accurate but also varied and rich in language, thus maintaining user interest and engagement. In addition to these automated metrics, best practices in prompt engineering involve iterative testing and refinement processes. A/B testing is a powerful method for evaluating prompt performance by comparing different versions of a prompt to see which one yields better results. This approach allows prompt engineers to experiment with variations in wording, structure, and tone, optimizing prompts for different user groups or contexts. For instance, a case study involving an AI customer service system demonstrated that slight modifications in prompt phrasing led to a significant increase in user satisfaction scores. Another best practice is the incorporation of user feedback loops into the prompt evaluation process. By actively soliciting and analyzing user feedback, prompt engineers can gain valuable insights into user preferences and pain points. This feedback can then inform prompt adjustments, ensuring that the AI system remains responsive to user needs. Moreover, leveraging sentiment analysis tools can provide an additional layer of understanding regarding user emotions and attitudes towards AI-generated responses, enabling prompt engineers to fine-tune prompts for optimal user experience. The continuous monitoring and analysis of prompt performance data are essential for maintaining high standards in AI communication. Dashboards that visualize key performance indicators such as response time, accuracy, and user engagement can aid in identifying trends and anomalies. By regularly reviewing these metrics, prompt engineers can proactively address any emerging issues and implement corrective measures. For example, a sudden drop in user engagement might indicate that a prompt is no longer resonating with users, prompting a reevaluation and potential redesign. To further enhance prompt performance, prompt engineers can adopt a user-centered design approach, focusing on the needs and expectations of the target audience. This involves conducting user research, creating personas, and mapping user journeys to understand the context in which prompts will be used. By aligning prompt design with user goals and contexts, prompt engineers can create more intuitive and effective interactions. A practical example of this approach can be seen in the development of AI-driven virtual assistants, where prompts are tailored to specific user scenarios, such as booking travel or managing schedules, resulting in higher satisfaction and usage rates. In conclusion, evaluating prompt performance requires a multifaceted approach that combines quantitative metrics with qualitative insights. By utilizing automated scoring systems, frameworks like Blue, Rouge, and Meteor, and best practices such as A/B testing and user feedback integration, prompt engineers can systematically enhance the quality and effectiveness of AI-generated responses. Continuous monitoring and user-centered design further ensure that prompts remain relevant and engaging, ultimately leading to improved user satisfaction and success in AI communication. As the field of prompt engineering continues to evolve, staying informed about the latest tools and methodologies will be crucial for professionals seeking to excel in this dynamic domain.